What's going on, everyone? So I took a trip across the country with my family and wanted to make sure that I had service the entire way. When I checked with the Verizon and Uconnect, they both confirmed that there was a dead zone for 50 miles between Reno and Las Vegas. I found some spots in Arizona and also New Mexico. But the big thing is, after a couple of research, this is what I found, this bad boy, the WeBoost Slim. Now, it came highly recommended and I had to check it out. Now, this particular one is just for one cell phone. They do have one that's for 5, but this one fit my budget, and it was super easy to connect, guys. It was not hard at all. As you see, it just has 2 connections, one for the antenna and the other for the power supply. And then you just feed it to the front of the car and you have another connection with the phone. So what you're going to see me do right now is I happen to have a hatchback and I was able to connect it in the back. If you don't have this, you can connect it to the front. So this is just a 12 volt or a cigarette lighter, and if you had it in the front, you have an extra USB if need be. Now this is for the antenna that's magnetic, that also held, I have to say held, through storms and high winds as I drove across the United States, which was super awesome. One thing I will suggest is, you'll see me just starting to feed it on the side. You would do that with your car. I would say clean the top of your car where you plan to put the antenna and keep it at least 8 to 14 inches away from your radio antenna so you have great service. So this is just a little diagram showing you from the back to the front how easy it is. It really is super easy. Once I actually fed from the back in between the seats underneath the carpet, I put all the extra wiring in the center console and connected the iPhone or the iPhone holder or phone holder. So I kept this part in because I wanted to show you guys that how strong the magnet is. You guys saw I just held all my keys, and once you're done, you just plug that bad boy to the AC vent and then you're good to go. So just start the car and boom. See the top left hand side, you see the white light letting you know that you do have service and you do have connection. Side note, guys, you got to take your case off because it only works with the phone only. You'll see right here that I only have 2 bars. I'm about to check the speed test. See right there, 2 bars. Let's check it out. Guys, I cannot tell you how awesome this was. I felt confident driving from Florida to Reno, Nevada, having service the entire way, 4 bars the entire way. So if you actually depend on service while you're on the road, I highly recommend this. Check this out. So it's 8.6 download, 6.4 upload. Now watch what the WeBoost does. And if you actually go into a place that has higher services, it just boosts your service that much more. It can go up to 32 times your regular service. Again, man, if you depend on your car, you're traveling with your family or an RV, I highly recommend this. Look at this. It's doubling in numbers. It's actually doubling in numbers. I had no problem with this, guys. What can I say, man? That's sweet.